In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sub-accounts in the chart of accounts in Zoho Books. Setting up sub-accounts is a crucial part of organizing your financial data for more detailed reporting and better financial analysis. This process is straightforward, but there are important details to pay attention to along the way. To begin, you'll first want to sign into your Zoho Books account. You can do this by navigating to the Zoho Books website. Once you arrive at the sign-in page, click on the option to sign in with Google. This is a convenient method, especially if your Zoho Books account is linked to your Google profile. After clicking, you'll be prompted to choose which Google account you're using. Select the appropriate one from the list. Once you've signed in, you might notice that the page takes a little time to load. This can depend on your internet speed, so it's a good idea to be patient if it doesn't load immediately. When the dashboard appears, look for the Accountant tab. It's typically located at the top of the screen and will lead you to the financial accounting options within Zoho Books. Click on the Accountant tab, which will then present you with several options. From these, select the chart of accounts. Here is where all your accounts are listed and where you can create new ones. You'll see a button labeled New Account, which you should click on. This is your entry point for creating a new account or sub-account. In the form that appears, you'll need to choose the account type. Zoho offers several types such as asset, liability, income, or expense, so make sure you pick the one that fits the account you're creating. After selecting the account type, type in the account name. This should be descriptive enough to easily identify the purpose of the account. To make this new account a sub-account, you'll notice an option labeled Make this a sub-account. Check this box and then you'll need to select the parent account. The parent account is the overarching category that your sub-account will fall under. Choosing the right parent account is essential for maintaining a clean and organized chart of accounts. If you have an account code, you can enter that next. Account codes are often used for more detailed sorting and categorization in your books. Similarly, if you have a specific description that provides more context about the account's purpose, you can include that as well. Finally, after verifying all the information is correct and complete, click on Save. This step finalizes the creation of your sub-account and integrates it into your chart of accounts. And there you have it. You've successfully created a sub-account in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you ensure your financial reporting is precise and aligned with your business needs.